Now, there was this other one time, that day it was close to December, just after our exams. Me and my cousin Vele, I told him, or you know what, boy, I need to get late. If you can krela sfebe, if you find me a little sfebe nyana mfanom, so that she can teach me how to do this thing. Don't get me wrong. When I say a little sefebe, I don't actually mean sefebe. What I mean is somebody who has seen it all and they can actually teach me how to do this thing, because I felt like, you know what, I need to get late. That was just me at that time, you know. Now we found this girl. We found this girl who's younger than us, but she has had sex with so many people at that time. I'm not judging her, by the way. And we agreed with her. We're like, you know what? We want to have sex. We want you to teach us. And then she said, okay, it's fine. We can do it. And then apparently, Bara, she had a crush on me that I was not aware of. So, us asking that from her, it was like a bonus, you know, it was a bonus, you know. So, it was easy for her to say yes. Mara, because of Guababa, because I still have that thing of being scared of girls, I asked a friend to come with me. Like during the whole process, the friend must be there with me. Understand? So we got in the room. When we got in the room, the three of us, that was me, my friend, and the girl, you know. It's about to go down. So literally, that was like my first time kissing a girl. I don't remember whether I was doing it correctly or not, you know. And I think even for your tongue to be very experienced, you need to mess up first. You are learning. Life. It's all about learning. Nothing comes easy, you know. It's all about learning, you know. And remember why I'm telling you this. I'm telling you this so that you can know who you're following. One thing I hate is for people to follow me, and then the next thing, when I buy a car, they start swearing at me, not knowing that I'm buying this cars because I still have anger that I'm healing. So if you know me from the past, then you'd understand why I'm behaving the way I'm behaving now. You'd understand why I'm not really impressed with wearing labels just like other forex traders, as you've seen. We come from different backgrounds, you know. So we got in the room, Vela, with the girl. And then she said, my friend must go out, he will come back. She wants me only. Nah. We started kissing. I'm sure, I'm definitely sure that I was not doing my best at that time, because I didn't know anything about kissing and all that, you know. So we started kissing and all that. And yeah, man. So, okay, at that time, my feelings, like I was aroused, I was there, you know, I was there, I was horny, like I could feel it that, you know what, now I'm ready, I'm about to get laid for the first time. I called my friend to bring me the condom. Immediately when he gave me the condom, remember, it's dark, grandmother is not there. Immediately when I've put the condom on, my dick slept like dead, completely dead. Like my dick went down completely, you know. And I tried, man, waking it up, dead, pee dead at that time. I was like, okay, planning. I called my friend. I'm like, boy, come. And then he came in. I'm like, try raising your dick up. He tried as well, the best way we know how to. His dick was dead as well. And then the poor girl is waiting for us. It's more like my banner disappoint me again, you know? And I was there. I'm like, okay. So what we did, we got out of the room. We left the girl there, horny. Keep in mind, very horny. I made her horny. It means I know how to. Not bad for first time. The only problem was the dick. The dick didn't go up. Then we discussed in the other room, or boys, what's going on? Why are our dicks not going up? We tried masturbating, next. Pipi dololo. Slept. I'm like, okay, plan. So we spent like 2 hours. Pipi's dead. So the girl got tired and then she said we must accompany her. So we accompanied her. So when we were accompanying her, my friend, the other friend that I was with, is busy swearing at the girl. Swearing at the girl that our pipis didn't go up. Of which now, coming to think of it, I don't understand why is he swearing at the girl, because it's our problem. But in my head, in my heart, that thing, that idea of what if I'm gay came back. I got scared. I'm like, guys, what if I'm gay and I'm just not aware? Because behavior-wise, I'm a normal guy, I know for sure. But when a girl comes and the PP is not going up, what's going on? What if I'm into men? I was just terrified with the whole idea of being gay. I was like, shit, I'm in serious shit here. Now, what happened was, when we came back, Vele, we discussed it. We're like, boy, what's going on? Why didn't our dicks go up? And then he was like, nah, boy, let's sleep. We'll talk about it in the morning. Then we went to sleep. Then I couldn't sleep. When I was trying to sleep, I just think of the idea, what if I'm gay? What if I'm gay? So I started masturbating. Guys, here's the funny thing. I didn't even spend 2 seconds. Already the dick was up. Again. And I'm like, how, my daughter? Mfwetu. Not so long here. You were supposed to do your job. For the first time, I'm giving you an opportunity to get laid. Now it's me talking to him. I'm giving you an opportunity to get laid and you're disappointing me again. And the dick was up when I was masturbating. And I did my things and I came and I slept, But the issue was actually eating me, that what if I'm gay? What if I'm gay? What if I'm gay? But yeah, I told myself that, what, let me leave this sex thing. Maybe God was trying to save me, Sometimes it's not like, sometimes it's like God is protecting you from certain situations that you're not aware of by making your plans not work. So I concluded that my plan of getting laid didn't work because God is trying to protect me from anything. I don't know what is it that he can protect me from, because I just wanted to get laid. I mean, it's not a big deal. Now,